ताकि कटूँ नहीं, और बालों को थोड़ा सा पीछे कर लेती हूँ ताकि अच्छी लगूँ। शॉपिंग करिए बहुत सारी, तो अब मैं धीरे धीरे
once again welcome back to my channel Bubbles P. This is Bubbles again with another video, and in this video I am giving you a try on haul of the clothes which I brought last month. Okay, from last 1 month I was not active on my channel, not at all, because I was busy in my exams, as I am giving 12th board exam, and after 2 years of online classes now we are giving offline exam, so there is a sort of difficulty which I was feeling. So that's why I was giving too much time to my studies rather than giving time to the YouTube. But now I have shooted so much content, and now I am also prepared for my exams. So now I will be posting the content for you all every single week, so just stay tuned on my channel. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you the collection of clothes which I have bought last month. This will include summer collection and even the winter collection. So if you want me, since the winter times I have gone completely and now the summer is starting, so I am first starting with the summer collection. But if you want, I can even give you the collection of the winter clothes that I have bought. I have didn't shoot any try on haul of this video, but I will shoot it if you all guys want me to do this. So do tell me in the comment section if you want me to show my winter collection which I bought from the particular market, which I will be telling you at the end of this video. Okay, so as you have seen before, you must have seen so many videos on the market Sarojini Nagar, like you are getting clothes and tops all about ₹100 or 50. Okay, so exactly the similar kind of market I have found in my city. Okay, which is not too much far from Delhi, but yes, I have found same market where you are finding such quality clothes which you get from the Sarojini Nagar. जैसे कि सरोजनी नगर में ज़ारा H&M के कपड़े मिल जाते हैं, वैसे यहाँ पर भी ज़ारा और H&M के कपड़े भरे पड़े हैं. So if you want to check out the market, in the end of this video I will disclose the market, so also stay tuned to this video till the end, so you will get to know the name of the market. Okay, so the quality of the clothes is amazing. I want to tell you before I will jump in the video, the quality of each and every clothes is amazing. They are I don't even think that they are usable, मतलब वो use करे हुए नहीं हैं. They are not a second hand, and they are also in a good quality, and they were like, they are not even worn and torn, so yes, they were good, and the price was exactly the same as you get in the Sarojini Nagar. So yes, there is something different which you will gonna see in this video except from the Sarojini Nagar. So yes, just stay tuned in this video, and without any further ado, now let's get started. Which I bought is this. This is a top. It's a white top from a Zara. Look at this tag. It's from Zara. It's size medium, and it's a very good top. Like it's quite deep neck, but चलता है. And यहाँ पे safety pin लगा रखी है, मैं उसको निकाल देती हूँ because I was trying this out last night. मैं safety pin हटा देती हूँ. So this is the top, and this is how it's look. And in the side in the side I will show you the entire look of this top. This is how its sleeves look like. It's a balloon sleeves. It got elastic in the ends, and it turned out so good on the body, especially for the those who are quite chubby like me. It turns out so well, and look at this. This is how it's look like. These are the buttons, and you can open it. It's a kind of shirt pattern, as I can see. This is how it looks from the back. Like ये पूरा ऊपर से फ्लोई है, और ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत सुंदर लगता है. पूरा फ्लोई है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और ज़ारा का है, and you know what the best part about it is that I got this in just 100 rupees. Well, जो एवरेज इस टाइप के टॉप का ज़ारा में प्राइस होता है, वो होता है अराउंड 2500 to 3000, I guess. This is the average price of this kind of tops in Zara, and you know what, this is the same top from the Zara, and I got this in just 100 rupees. So isn't it nice? It's very nice. Like तुमको branded कपड़ा मिल रहा है 100 रुपये में, अभी इससे ज़्यादा तुम लोगों को क्या चाहिए. So the second top which I bought, first I am covering all the tops, all the top and the upper wear. So this is what I got, the second thing and it's a very pretty color. Look at this color. This color looks so nice on me, and this is also a shirt. It has pockets in a front, and it looks so beautiful. It turned out so well on a physique like me. Well, I am a sort of chubby girl, so I like something which is flowy on my body and also looks, and it makes me look sleek. Okay, so these kinds of fabric I love the most. It has got a basic sleeves, and it also can be folded, and the button is also given here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It has got a V-neck, and it looks so pretty, and the color looks so amazing. Like, it's a very summery color, and it looks so amazing. बहुत ज़्यादा समरी सा कलर है, and gives you a very nice vibe. आगे से हाई है, पीछे से लो है, so it's very nice to dress on a tight pair of jeans. लाइक रेगुलर जो जीन्स होते हैं स्लिम फिट वाले, उस पर ये बहुत अच्छा निकल के आता है, एंड यू कैन इवन वेयर इट टू योर ऑफिस एंड ऑल, एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गोना लुक amazing in this. And this is from a brand Hong. Okay, so Hong, I don't know which brand it is, so now let me just search it in front of you. Okay, so this is the Hong ka basic set top. Okay, where this is slightly similar to this, and it is costing me around $620, and after the discount it is costing around $428. So let me translate into this. $420 कितना होता है? 18,600. Bro, you're getting it in 100 rupees. Now what tells you what in your life? This is the only reason why I am living today. 100 rupees में 18,000 का टॉप. Like, this is टॉप is costing around Hong की कंपनी का टॉप इंडिया में आपको 18,000 रुपये का पड़ रहा है, and this beauty you are getting this into just 100 rupees. So bro, I just loved it. Next top is, this is also a shirt where इसके buttons खुल गए हैं, फिर खोल दिए गए हैं. वेरी 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 प्रिटी शर्ट. लाइक, मैं इसके बटन क्लोज करके आपको लोगों को दिखाती हूँ कि कितनी प्रिटी है. लाइक, क्रॉप शर्ट है और जीन्स के ऊपर, स्कर्ट्स के ऊपर इट्स लुक, एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अमेजिंग. इसका कोई एंड ही नहीं, और ये थोड़ा सा रेट्रो लुक भी देता है, रेट्रो वाइब देता है, क्योंकि इसमें डॉट्स बने हुए हैं. सो इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू अ नाइस रेट्रो वाइब. सो येस, यू कैन इवन वेयर इट on a party, on a retro party kind of thing, or you can even wear it in your office over a sleek pencil skirt. You will also gonna look crazy in this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It also has pockets in front, and these pockets are like, और ये थोड़ा सा एक्सपोजिंग है इसका फैब्रिक, बट स्टिल इट लुक्स नाइस. क्वार्टर हाफ स्लीव्स है इसके, और इसमें भी यहाँ पे बटन दिया हुआ है, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ाइनर लगता है. और एज यू कैन सी, इसका जो ये है ना, मुड्डा ही बोलते हैं ना इसको, इट्स ऑन अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन. सो इट लुक्स सो नाइस, एंड इट्स लुक सो डिज़ाइनर. लुक एट दिस, right? It is just looking amazing, and this brand is from realcoco.com, made in Korea. So these are the tops from Korea. कोरिया के क्लोथ्स सरोजनी मार्केट में तो बहुत मिलते हैं, और यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे थे. So this is a realcoco.com, made in Korea. Okay, so रियल कोको के टॉप्स हैं. आप लोगों को ये भी अराउंड 1600 के करीब पड़ेंगे. 1600 2000 की कॉस्टिंग आएगी इसकी, if you will buy this from the website. So this is how this tops looks like. So the second top which I bought is this top. This is looking amazing. ये कॉटन फैब्रिक में है, तो इसका फैब्रिक बिल्कुल भी इरिटेट नहीं करेगा गर्मियों में, इसलिए मैंने इसको खरीद लिया. तो आगे इसमें इलास्टिक है विच मेक्स यू लुक क्वाइट स्लीक. दैट्स व्हाई आई बॉट दिस. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ाइनर लगता है, और इसके भी बलून स्लीव्स हैं, और इसमें आगे ऐसे प्लेट्स दिए हुए हैं, पीछे यहाँ पे पफ दिया हुआ है, तो बलून स्लीव्स लगती हैं, बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. तो मैं आपको ये सब कुछ पहन के दिखाऊंगी. कॉटन फैब्रिक में है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ ब्रांड, दिस ऑल्सो मेड इन कोरिया, एंड इट्स अ ब्रांड प्लेरूम. सो इसके भी आपको क्लोथ्स अराउंड 1600 के करीब कॉस्ट करेंगे ऑन द वेबसाइट, एंड आई बॉट दिस इन जस्ट 100 रुपीज़. सो इससे बुरा और क्या चाहिए. तो ये भी है. और तो मैंने अभी इस वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने ही निकाले थे. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई विल बी वेयरिंग, दैट इज़ द पैंट्स विच आई हैव बॉट. And that first pant is this one. This is a pant, and it also gives you a vibe of skirt. Like, इस तरफ से पैंट है, और इस तरफ से ऐसे इसमें प्लेट्स लगी हुई है और ये बहुत सुंदर लगती है. लाइक इट्स लुक्स अ डैम डिजाइनर स्कर्ट लाइक एंड यू लुक so good in this. This is also a made in Korea. It's size F. It's also made in Korea. So this will also cost you a very nice price, a good price in India. If you go and check out some designer clothes in India, this will not gonna cost you less than 2000 rupees. So yeah, this I've bought in 100 rupees. What's bad in this in 100 rupees? कुछ बुराई है मतलब 100 रुपीज़ में यू कैन नेवर फाइंड सच काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स राइट. ये 100 रुपीज़ में मिलना इज़ लाइक पता नहीं क्या मिल गया. तो ये मुझे 100 रुपीज़ में पड़ा एंड इट टर्न आउट सो वेल ऑन मी. नेक्स्ट पैंट विच आई गॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ इज दिस वन. This is also this. It's a high waisted pant and it is a broad from white pant from the bottom, and it also got this elastic, so it gives you a sort of balloon kind of a shape in the bottom, and it also looks very nice. It's in a fabric of jeans, so it's very rough and tough kind of fabric. So आप इसको डेली वेयर में पहन सकते हो, लाइक कैजुअल पार्टीज या फिर कहीं पर जाना हो तो आप इसको फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट करने जाना है तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसका कलर बहुत प्रिटी है, बहुत समरी वाइब देता है. और या this dress also turned out so well on me. So that's how it looks like. इसका कलर बहुत प्रिटी है और इसका शेप बहुत प्रिटी है. The third bottom wear which I bought for myself is this one. This is a party wear kind of thing, and it looks so amazing. Like it is this kind of thing you will definitely find in the showroom of Zara and H&M. और ये आपको लाइक अराउंड 4000 के कॉस्ट करता है और ये मुझे जस्ट 150 रुपीज़ में मिल गया. जस्ट इन 150 रुपीज़. सो लुक एट दिस लुक्स सो अमेजिंग व्हेन यू विल वेयर दिस. लाइक पार्टी वगैरह में इफ़ यू आर गोइंग ऑन अ डेट नाइट इट लुक्स सो अमेजिंग ऑन यू. इट्स इन अ फैब्रिक लाइक ये जो स्प्रिंग काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक होता है उसमें अवेलेबल है, एंड इट लुक्स सो पार्टी वेयर एंड इट लुक्स सो एलिगेंट ऑन अ person. And since it's a black color it goes with every single top you will have in your wardrobe. So this is a must have piece in your wardrobe. You can definitely wear this with tops, kurtas and everything which you have, and every single color which you have. This is all about this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have liked it, please give it a very big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do visit the market. Thank you so much for watching it. Stay tuned to my channel. After this video I will be sharing you the second part of this video in which I will be disclosing the rest of the clothes which I have bought. Okay, so until then, bye bye and take care.